It's like we're forgotten people. Chautauqua County, we're forgotten people out here.
Frustration and fear. Voices from the southern tier.
Minutes matter.
Makes me angry.
It's horrible for the whole community.
It's shameful.
With one hospital left between Jamestown and Buffalo, the urgent healthcare concerns in Chautauqua County.
The area has nothing for those people, and they have no place to go.
Tonight, the impact of a hospital closure on families and facilities. Plus, is anything being done to stitch these wounds?
I love it out here. I love the community. I love the people. They need to think about us and take care of us.
Well, good evening once again, everybody. Imagine someone you know or you experiences a medical emergency, but the closest care is 45 minutes away.
Yeah, that is the reality for several communities between Buffalo and Jamestown, where there are growing healthcare concerns. A group of neighbors based in Irving say the current healthcare coverage is simply not sustainable. Lakeshore Health Center closed its doors in 2020. Brooks Memorial, now the closest hospital, but its proximity can be really misleading. The facility does not offer essential services, including maternity and mental health. Neighbors tell us they were driving to Buffalo, Jamestown, or even Erie to access this care. These cities all more than 30 minutes away.
Now, this community is frustrated and pleading for help. One woman reached out to us, but more than 20 showed up to meet me and tell me their stories and their worries for the future. Now, these are EMTs, nurses, community members who relied on a hospital that no longer exists and are begging for it to come back.
And people say, oh, Lakeshore is just a small community hospital. Well, I mean, we knew how to take care of people.
It just was like a family here is what it was. It was like a family.
That family feeling abandoned for the past 3 years since Lakeshore Healthcare Center in the town of Hanover closed due to a lack of patients. Many of these women used to work inside.
We need this hospital. The community is suffering for it. I'm sure there's been a lot of events that could have been prevented if this was still open.
It's a hospital people relied on for addiction treatment, long-term care, and mental health.
So you never know what's going to happen. And we have a school that's 2 miles from here. They have 1,200 students there. If there was ever a shooting, we wouldn't have enough helicopters to take these kids to all the hospitals.
Now, if there is an emergency, Brooks Memorial Hospital is here in Dunkirk, about 15 minutes away. But I spoke on the phone with the CEO here at Brooks, and he tells me they're facing some staffing struggles, and they've had to suspend the maternity ward and cut back on some services. In those cases, they send patients to Erie, Jamestown, or Buffalo, patients like Denise Zafuto.
It could have been catastrophic because of the situation. We didn't have the facilities out here to do what I needed. And I don't want to go to Buffalo for my health care when I'm 15 minutes from the hospital.
Denise is the one who brought all of us together. She reached out to 7 News about her concerns, and it opened the floodgate. More than 20 people showing up to talk about Lakeshore.
If something happens to you, you go to the doctor. Easy. How does it make you feel to not have that?
It's terrible.
It makes me angry.
It's horrible for the whole community.
We even caught the attention of one town of Hanover council member.
I think everybody should understand that unfortunately things have not gone the way everybody would like them to go. The county legislator, the town board, Senator George Barillo are working very hard with the people that are planning on buying this property.
The property has been up for sale since January. I asked State Senator George Barillo what the plan is for this new buyer out of New York City.
It is unlikely that they're going to bring in a hospital. However, we are looking at potential of urgent care, things like that.
If they buy this property, they could tell you, hey, we're going to turn this into an urgent care, but they could turn it into something else.
Yes, I will say that we've had a couple of Zoom meetings with them. They have been very open during this due diligence process. So I'm hopeful that they'll continue to engage with myself and other local elected officials to ensure whatever they bring is going to be something that's going to be a positive for the region.
So it's been 3 years, and it's a waiting game to find out what, if anything, will happen. And this community is tired of waiting. Now, I also reached out to the governor's office and the State Department of Health and was told they're working to get me information about what's being done to get people the care they need in Chautauqua County. Now, meantime, Brooks is trying to move to a new, updated facility. Their deadline to complete the purchase of that new property is tomorrow. Of course, we'll keep you updated.